Castaway was built in 1951. When it was built, this was kind of the center of town. We have a very unique neighborhood. We are definitely off the beaten path, and most people find us by word of mouth. This is a pretty nice sized lionfish here, about a 15 or 16 incher, probably weighs about 2 pounds.
I'm kind of impressed that you're holding it like that because I know that they are venomous and painful.
Yes, they have 19 venomous spines. 13 of them are in the dorsal section, the part I'm holding, and each one of these spines has 2 glands in it. Feel there are 2 grooves, and each of those grooves holds the gland that injects the venom in you. And the bigger the fish, the longer the spines. I cut off all the fins because then you know you didn't miss one.
Gotcha.
Better safe than sorry.
No doubt.
Now we're clean. Now we're safe.
Hola, Manuel.
Hola.
He works sushi and he is our main fish cutter.
All right, so let's do it. The good fishmonger leaves almost no meat on the bone, which obviously Manuel knows what he's doing. What a beautiful piece of fish, though. That is absolutely gorgeous.
We have some lionfish poke.
Okay, wow.
And the king of the jungle roll, and some nigiri and some sashimi.
It's so pure and white.
Isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, you can see through it. That's delicious. It's so clean. It just tastes like the ocean. It doesn't taste like fish. It's not fishy at all. What's inside the sushi roll? Because I see the lionfish.
So the inside is lionfish, asparagus, and avocado.
Right.
And then the outside is masago, escalar, and wakame.
Wow. Beautiful.
And for the people looking for an adventure in food,
this is where to come.
this is where to come.